Okay folks, today we're on to experiment number 5 of the antivirus laboratory kit. Let's get to it. Okay, we've got the glove on the inside. Set that aside. Now we make up our gypsum. So we're using a larger glove. The instructions are for a kid size glove, which we all saw snap and go flying on an earlier video. So we're going to adjust the percentages. So the recipe calls for 200 mils. It's a 400 gram bag. Okay, so we've got close to 200. I think we should do 300. There we go, 300 grams. We're going to need a bigger bowl. And we're going to go 150 mils of water. Just going to use the beaker for a measure. Let's mix it. Not the world's largest mixing spoon. Well, let's go. Okay, I'd say that's good enough. Now we're going to pour it into here. And good luck to us. Okay, I really hope that's working. Right. Now we've got some cleaning to do. It's like making a cake. And we leave this for a day or two. 2 days won't hurt. See an air bubble there. And see what we've got. Who knows? Your guess is as good as mine on this one. See you in a day or two. Okay, so we've got a little bit left over. I really want to fill up that container. It's sort of settled a little bit. Okay, so we've got 30 grams. Now we'll add some water. Okay, so here's to make it easy. 30 ml of gypsum. 15 of H2O. There we go. Okay, there we are. All mixed up. 2 days. Check it out around about this time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Super size special. Bigger gloves. More gypsum. What will the result be? Will I be able to extract it? Okay, it's been 2 days. Let's see how the gypsum has dried. To remove it. Oh, there you go. It was a bit crumbly. Jimmy. Wait, I think there's a I think we're missing something here. I think a thumb did not. So what went wrong there? Ah, what? Well done. So we have some sort of an alien happening today. Maybe I should have blown in it. Yo, what? To get this apart. Jeez. Well, Don't know what happened there. But that's excuse me. That is experiment number 2. No, well, actually I'm going to have to check up on that. Well, that is experiment number 5. Making a thumbless hand out of gypsum. Very strange. The next step was to paint all the areas where you don't wash your hands properly, I guess. Well, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this video was feeling a little bit anticlimactic. We didn't really fulfill all the requirements of this experiment. So I decided to take the hand downstairs and chop the bottom off it, just to make it sit a little bit better. Unfortunately, we'd already lost a thumb. Now we lost a finger. Broke off. Very fragile. And then there were 3. So let's continue with the experiment. We have the obligatory sirens. While we colour. Okay, that would have to be one of the most bizarre things I've ever seen. So apparently, those are the areas you don't clean properly every day. What a strange experiment. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time with a puzzled scratch of the head.